I am Dr. Lukas Weber. I build autonomous test vehicles. 12 sensors, 12 protocols, and every single one wants its own computer. Every new experiment meant rebuilding everything. New camera, new integration. New radar, new integration. Months of work for 1 week of data. Then I found Shree-Mazu panel forge. Instead of buying more boxes, I configured one panel. Exactly the interfaces my vehicle needs. 10 days later, it arrived. 8 camera inputs. Power, network, control. Every port marked, every pin documented for my vehicle. So I stopped rebuilding. With Shree-Mazu Workbench, I connected sensors, AI processing, synchronization, logging, and the vehicle bus into one architecture. One SMZ-X9000 in the boot. Every sensor synchronized, every frame logged while the car is driving. Now, new camera, I plug it in. New model, I drag it in. New radar, it is simply there. Nothing else changes. New sensor, new algorithm, new experiment, but not a new system. Shree-Mazu, one platform for the next experiment.